Before you begin installation, have your utilities provider mark the existing structures. Then lay out the bolts and washers, electrical components, and the pedestal needed for the project. Now you are ready to prep and excavate the site. Mark the location for the base and optional bollards. Excavate the area using equipment, and you can hand dig the detailed corners and edges. Measure to be sure the hole is the correct depth for the base. Insert the electrical components per the manufacturer's instructions and fill around the conduit with crushed stone for a smooth, hard surface for the EV block. Now it is time to place the block. Lift and lower the base into the excavated space, being careful to line the hole up with the electrical and conduit. Be sure to use properly rated nylon straps for this step. Install the optional bollard bases if applicable. Make sure everything is level. Plug the holes and backfill around the base or bases. Then you are ready to mount the pedestal to the base. Place the pedestal directly onto the EVBlock compact. Then secure the pedestal using the supplied bolts and washers. Now you can complete the required wiring for the charger. Be sure to refer to the manufacturer's instructions for any requirements. And if bollards are involved in the project, mount them directly to their respective bases. And you are done! EVBlocks is the simplest, smartest system for your charger installations.